How to put a line through text on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put a line through text on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Discord. You can open it up in your web browser or simply use the app. After you do that, head over to server or DM where you want to do it. And there you can start typing a message. Now, when you type a message, if you want the line through the text, you'll need to use these two curly dashes. So just press on those dashes. So these are the ones. And now what you'll need to do is start typing whatever you want. Now close it off with the very same two dashes. Doing that, now you will have just added your lines like that. And that's one way of doing it. The other way is type in whatever you want, then select the text and you will see a pop-up like this. Press on this S dash option, and after you press on it, you'll get the line through text. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.